Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, and today we're talking Florida blueberries. So today we are doing a Florida blueberry casserole. Now this is a really fun and simple recipe, so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? Our main thing in this recipe is going to be our bread. And I just want to cut these up. They don't have to be too big or too small, but they should be about even, so they will all evenly soak up the egg and milk mixture we're going to do. Now we're going to go ahead and add one layer of our croissants that we've cut up. And then let's go ahead and cut up a few of these donuts to add too. Now we're going to go ahead and add some of our blueberries. These have been lightly rinsed and dried and they're ready to go. We're going to start adding a few dollops of cream cheese as well. This is going to give it a little creaminess. And then we're going to go ahead and add our melted butter and of course a little bit of milk. Let's go ahead and pour this over our casserole. Now let's go ahead and get this in our 350-degree oven and let it cook for at least 25 to around 35-40 minutes, depending on your oven. So our Florida blueberry casserole has been baking in the oven for about 25 to 35 minutes. It's ready, so let's go ahead and take it out. Wow, it smells delicious and it looks phenomenal. Super simple, fun, easy recipe, our Florida blueberry breakfast casserole. You can find this recipe and many others like it utilizing the Florida blueberry on followfreshfromflorida.com. So I want to make sure you guys go on there, check out the recipes, look for our Fresh from Florida Club while you're on there as well, and remember, keep cooking.